Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So in today's video we're going to be talking all about Danessa Myricks Balm Contour. It looks like this, little sleek black packaging, and then open it up and that's what we got. Easy to use, blendable and buildable contour balm to give your cheekbones a natural, effortless yet impactful lifted and sculpted appearance. Yeah, we are gonna try this one out. It retails for 34 Canadian dollars. I'm gonna put the USD on the screen, but not bad at all. And the shade that I got was medium 3 for medium tan to tan complexions. So I feel like that looks pretty good. So the color looks pretty natural. It's not like a deep red or crazy red color. So I like that. So far, so good. It's giving me a little nice natural shadow. I like that. It says it's buildable, so you know, if you want it darker. But yeah, I like that. See that? Look at that contour right there. Ooh. Okay, let's finish this off. It does seem easy to blend. I don't feel like I'm having too much problems with that. I do feel it on my face. It's not like crazy heavy, but I do feel some stickiness, and I'm not sure if that's just normal, but there is like a little sticky feeling. Originally I was saying, you know, it's not as red, so that's a good thing. I don't like when it's too red, but I can't lie, like now that when I look at myself, I feel like it does need a little bit more warmth. I prefer it to have a little bit more warmth to kind of give me that, I don't know, maybe that's what the bronzer is for. I'm not sure. I feel like it looks really nice, but I wouldn't be mad if it had a tad bit of warmth in it. So you guys let me know what you think. I kind of overdid it here, but I'm gonna fix it up. I'm gonna put some under here. And this is buildable, so you could go and build it up. I'm afraid I don't want to overdo it, so I'm just gonna leave it where it is now, and then I'll just use a bronzer on top. I'm gonna go with my Fenty bronzer, Coconutty, because it's a little bit warm. Yeah, so as you can see, I feel like it warmed it up a bit. So now going on to the blush, I'm gonna use this LYS blush. This one is called Self Love, and it's like a mauve-y kind of color. But whatever's left on the brush, I'm just gonna try and contour my nose with that now. I feel like everything layered well with the contour. I don't know, I feel like I could have used more, but I was just too nervous to overdo it. I do feel like this is a good shade for me, but I also feel like I could get away with using the darker one as well. It definitely comes off as more of a natural contour, which is how I feel like it should be anyways. Just give you a natural shadow. So I like it for that purpose. It's very natural looking. Can't go wrong with that. I'm new to this cream contour life, so if you have any suggestions, any tips and tricks for me, let me know. But I feel like this is a very nice natural contour product, so I feel like you just can't go wrong with that. Everything that I used today will be down in the description box, so you can check it out. I'm gonna have all the links, everything there for you. So as always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.